Hi, my friend. I appreciate you. You took the first step to create digital lifestyle you really want. Hi, I'm Ravi Rajput. I'm owner of MoneyOnSpot.com. Today, I am here to help you and show you the system I'm using, and with that, I'm making money online easily. This system is the best CPA system on the internet, and you can also make money using this system. Just concentrate on this video, and I will tell you how you can make money using this system. See, I'm making $4 and $2 for just simple free sign up. It's very easy. When someone sign up using your Yoonla affiliate link, you will make commission like this. You will make $4 for tier 1 country and $2 for tier 2 country. You will also make $30 when anyone become allied member in this money making system. So how you can get your payment in your bank account? You can choose PayPal and you can choose Payza. You can choose any one of them, and with that you will get your payment in your bank account. The question will arise, how you can become member in this money making system? It's easy. Just click the link given and enter your name and email address and just click on create my account. You will get a activation link in your email address. Just activate your account, create your password, and with that you will become member in this money making system. If you will sign up today using my affiliate link, you will become my subscriber and I will give you my training. With that you can easily make money using this system. Sign up today using my affiliate link and dare to create this a life you really want. When you will activate your account, you will see members area like this. Here you will get free training videos. With that you can become allied member in this money making system, and with that you will get more opportunities to make money using this system. Create your free membership account and create this lifestyle you really want.